Does your car have a rough idle or feel like it's unresponsive? Maybe a check engine light. Have you noticed a hissing noise from under the hood? Well, now if any of this sounds familiar, we most likely have a problem with our car's airflow. Now, what do all of these issues have in common? It's going to be our intake manifold. Now, what causes our issues? We're going to have three big things. Number one is going to be vacuum leaks. Number two is going to be cracked intake manifolds. And number three is going to be leaking intake gaskets. The number one offender is going to be vacuum leaks. So how do you find it? We're going to go and we're going to give the vehicle a good visual inspection while it's running. We're going to go around and we're going to check all of the connections on the hoses, anywhere where air is coming in and shouldn't get out. The other option we have is to do a smoke test. We can put smoke through the intake and we can look for leaks that are coming out. Now, if you didn't find anything on your visual inspection and you didn't find anything on your smoke test, now is going to be the time to remove the intake because there's something inside that we have to diagnose. On to our next issue, which is going to be a cracked intake manifold. Modern day intake manifolds are made of plastic. They're lightweight and efficient, but after years of heat and vibration, they can crack. The best way to find this issue is with a smoke test or pressure test. Once you have deemed the intake cracked, it will require a full part replacement. Luckily, 1A Auto has them ready to ship. Which brings us to our last headache of the day, which is going to be intake gaskets. These go in between the engine and the intake manifold, and they're going to keep unmetered air out and coolant inside. The most common way these gaskets fail is being flattened. This happens naturally over time, but when it does happen, you will develop a leak, whether it's air, coolant, or oil. Luckily, these gaskets are cheap and easy to replace. Ignoring airflow issues can lead to poor fuel efficiency and higher repair bills. To avoid this, get it fixed quick.